Hey everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 28th, 2025, we're taking a closer look at Meta, ticker symbol Meta. We'll combine the latest news and events with a detailed chart analysis to give you a comprehensive view of where Meta stock might be headed. Recent news indicates Meta is planning to release a standalone AI app, aiming to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. This could be a major catalyst for the stock, but we need to analyze how this news is reflected in the charts. Also, the House Committee is subpoenaing Alphabet, Meta, and other tech giants over foreign censorship, adding a layer of regulatory uncertainty. Furthermore, Trump's tariff threats on Mexico, Canada, and China could impact Meta's international operations and, consequently, its stock price. Let's see how these events tie in with what the charts are showing us. Now, let's transition to the daily chart for Meta. We can see a broader view of the stock's performance over the past year and a half. Looking back to October 2023, the stock was trading around $320, and we've seen a significant upward trend since then. Zooming into the more recent price action, particularly from the start of 2025, we see Meta has had a wild ride. Notably, the massive candle around February 2024 represents a significant surge, likely driven by positive earnings or news related to AI initiatives. Currently, the price is hovering around $658, which is a key area to watch. Now, let's narrow our focus to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price movements. We can see more intraday volatility here. Zooming into the last few days, we can see choppiness. We see a local high around February 27th, followed by a dip, and then a volatile consolidation. The news about tariffs and regulatory scrutiny might be contributing to this short-term uncertainty. If Nvidia's stock sync is any indication, sky-high expectations can overshadow an earnings beat, which is something to keep in mind with Meta. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart gives us an even closer look at today's price action. Notice the intraday trading range. We can see a recent downtrend happening today, so the stock may attempt to look for a new local low. We have a low of $657.57 from today, which is a new local support that'll need to be watched. So, what are the key price levels to watch? First, $657.57 needs to hold as support in the short term. If it breaks, we could see a further dip. On the upside, $688.65 will need to be taken out to invalidate the most recent downtrend. Looking ahead, there's a consensus price target of $731.76 based on analyst ratings, but with a wide range from $575 to $935. The AI app launch could be a significant catalyst if it's well received. However, keep an eye on the regulatory landscape and any escalations in the trade war, as these could introduce bearish pressures. Ultimately, whether you're bullish or bearish on Meta depends on your time horizon and risk tolerance. Short-term traders should watch the immediate support and resistance levels and day trade appropriately. Long-term investors should monitor the AI app's success, regulatory developments, and the overall economic climate. Remember to always do your own research and consider your individual circumstances before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Thanks for watching.